Reality check. You say, I am having a car. You think you sound fluent. You actually sound 100% wrong. Gyanu's here. Let's fix the biggest, most common Indianism that makes you sound like an amateur. Professor of Possession just gave you the beautiful have and has family.
We have mastered the first pillar of English, the be verbs, which show what you are. Today, we master the second pillar, the have verbs. They show what you possess.
A beautiful thought, but that possession won't get you the job if you say, I am having a creative mind in the interview. He built the house, but he left the main door unlocked for mistakes to walk right in. He gives you the rules. I give you the real-world revolution. Hack number 1, the I am having disaster. This must be a reflex. Having is for experiences, not possession. You are having dinner. You are having a good time. You have a car. She has a sister. Fix this, and you will instantly sound more professional. Hack number 2, the question upgrade. Stop asking, have you a pen? It's not wrong, it's just old. It's from a textbook. The pro move is to use our helpers. Do you have a pen? Does he have a bike? It's faster. It's more confident. It's what leaders say. That's the difference between sounding like a textbook and sounding like a boss. That's the Gyanu effect. Your turn, genius. In the comments, write one sentence using have and one sentence using has. And don't make the I am having mistake. Now, smash like and subscribe Ujjwal Bhavishya. You know what you have. But what about the building blocks of the words themselves? Tomorrow, we reveal the ultimate secret of A versus and. Boom. Mind officially blown.